Good morning. It's raining so hard. Sobrang lakas ng ulan.
Hey yogis, welcome to my channel.
So, we're done with workout. 40 minutes lang siya, pero 3 days na akong consistent na nag-home workout. So, gawa muna tayo ng post-workout drink. So, I'm using Gmax Keto. You can check it on Shopee or sa IG. Parang feeling ko yung Shopee ata nila nakaban lately. So, yun. So, yan. May yellow na. Lagyan na natin ng water. Lugaw. Bagong bukas ng to dito eh. Sarap. Good for the weather. Meron pa akong mami sa ref. Dessert muna tayo habang nagchichikahan. And by the way, I have reached 19,000 subscribers. So I'm so happy. I love dark chocolate. Sobrang sarap. Yung mapait-pait. I love that. Grabe yung ano, no? Bagyo. Also, just a tip. Yung kapatid ko lagi itong sinasabi. So, since sa construction ng bahay, kahit yung na-turn over, kahit yung hindi kayo yung nagpatayo, yung mga na-turn over na bahay. Lagi sinasabi ng kapatid ko sa akin, intayin mo lagi yung malakas na bagyo or ano, para malaman mo, makita mo sa bahay mo kung ano yung mga dapat ayusin. Like in my case, last year, yung ako bumukod, lumipat. Pero, yung tag-ulan na nun, hindi ko masyado siyang nakita. Kasi nga, pabalik-balik ako because I have work in Ortigas. Ngayon na ako dito, nagsistay ako, a lot of times nandito talaga ako. Ang pinaka-kailangan kong ayusin is yung sa likod, yung sa may alulod na air, dun sa may pa-dirty kitchen. Kasi tumutulo siya, so tumatagas siya doon sa banyo ko. Pero second floor, okay. First floor, wala yung sa banyo lang. Kasi nga dun sa taas ng alulod, tapos andun sa baba yung banyo ko. So yun. So if you're planning to get a house, yan yung mga reminders ko sa inyo na based on experience. At syempre yung mga reminders din ng kapatid ko, tatay ko, ganyan. Grabe yung bagyo. Nakakatakot. Like, I don't have, parang magpo 4 days na ba ako ditong walang internet connection. Pero may electricity naman. Buti na may electricity. Anyway, after nito, dahil ang dugyot-dugyot ko after workout, ang sarap talaga pag nag-workout, yung happy hormones mo talaga biglang nagsaspike. Anyway, I'll just clean my mess dito, tapos mag-ayos na ako ng sarili ko. Finally, nakapag-shower na at tayo ay mag-skincare na. Before anything else, dahil halos patapos na yung vlog ko, I would like to thank each and every one of you. Wait, using yung camera ko. Because I finally reached 19,000 subscribers and, well, last year kong goal kasi is to reach 20k subs, pero nahirapan talaga ako mag-film ng contents noon. So, feeling ko ma-achieve ko siya this year. And I know I have said this before na I don't put too much effort sa videos ko because parang libangan ko lang siya. Hindi ko naman inakalang nalalaki siya. Sa totoo lang, 1k pa lang na subscribers, nadadamihan na ako. Because I never thought I'll reach that far. Pero ngayon, nasa 19k subs. Ewan ko ba? It's funny because I am not proud of the contents that I put out before. Like, raw video lang ako, tas upload. And then when it's starting to when it's starting to get traction, dun ko na-realize na, pwede ko pala siyang pagkakitaan. Pero hindi po malaking kinikita ko, But, you know, it's enough to add lang dun sa savings ko, which I'm happy about. Pero hindi siya malaki. And, next week, I finally decided to upgrade to a new phone para naman gumanda-ganda yung viewing capacity ng mga videos ko. Kasi, alam ko, marami sa inyong nanonood na nagre-reklamo na sa low quality niya. I'm really, really sorry. Yung mga contents na pinuput out ko, it's about saving and pagiging budgetarian at matipid. It's true, I really embody that. I don't buy something nang hindi pa sira or kaya pa. Recently, nagiglitch na yung both phones ko, so kailangan ko na talagang mag-upgrade ng phone. So, I'll be visiting Power Mac next week. Makikiswipe ako. Because my back pay, I'm still waiting for it. Siguro, kailan ba darating yung back pay ko? Anyway, kung kailan man siya, but I am upgrading to a new phone. Yung gantong itsura ng face, trust the process lang. I like doing this. And that's how much I put. Kasi, parang massage mo. So, if you want like facial massage before going to sleep, this is what you do. I have, parang Shopee gua siya na in-order, but I don't like it. So, I ordered another one. Pero overseas pala yun. So, parang tagal pa nang intayin ko. But, yeah, I'll show, the stuff that I ordered from Shopee. Kaya lang parang mahirap yung deliveries now because of the weather, no? Pero anyway, going back, I know you've been really requesting for good contents. Tapos may mga iba pa nagsasabi, kaya hindi lumalaki yung channel mo, blah, blah, blah. You know what? I'm the type of person na hindi nagmamadali. Kasi hindi naman yun yung, hindi ko naman inakala kasi talagang aabot nga ako ng 1K or 5,000. Nagulat na lang ako, bigla na lang lumalaki. Yun yung interesting about life, no? You'll never really know. Kaya you have to try things lang for yourself. And parang, with the contents naman na pinuput out ko, parang I'm just sharing tiny pieces of daily life experiences ko. And I never thought na dadami kayo to 19,000, and I'm sure by the end of 2024, marireach ko yung 20k subs. Okay, next, eye cream. The products, ba't ba ako hinihingal? Yung mga products na ginagamit ko, I have sensitive skin So ito hindi talaga ako walang hapde or na feeling kong parang, pag kasi may hapdi feeling sa mga products na to, dati nung nagtatry ako, hinihinto ko agad. Ito wala. But of course, it takes time bago ko mahanap yung holy grail ko, diba? So, going back. Nag-mix-mix yung mga pinagsasabi ko, yung ADHD brain ko na naman sumusumpong Yun, I'll be upgrading to a new phone because I'm also excited to give you more quality contents. I've tried out a lot of apps recently na okay. I don't like editing videos sa laptop. Although kaya naman because technically malaki naman yung storage ng MacBook na meron ako, but I just don't like uploading. I feel like it's more convenient if you shot the video sa phone tapos you edited sa phone, sa app ng phone. So yeah, I like doing that. It's more convenient for me. Tsaka yun nga, hindi naman masyadong ako nag-e-expect din sa kalalabasan ng channel ko. I thought nga after the pandemic, wala na, like i-delete ko na lahat ng videos na meron ako Pero, grabe, ilan taon na? 2022, 3 years na ako nagbo-vlog, and dun sa mga nagsasabi na parang, hindi lumalaki yung channel mo, I never really expected it. I never also tried achieving a certain goal na lumaki yung channel ko and to be a content creator. Parang pastime ko lang talaga siya nung pandemic. And kahit yung parents ko, yung nalaman na nilang nasa ganito na karaming yung subscribers ko, natatawa lang din sila. Kasi before, nandun lang ako sa sala namin or dun ako sa area, dun sa maliit na room ko. Nakakatawa. Ang funny talaga. But now, I think I'm gonna take it more seriously. That's why excited ako mag-upgrade ng phone para at least I can give you more quality contents. I'll be studying na. Maaga akong nag-shower Tapos, nag-skincare kasi gusto ko nga mag-aral at makarami ng aral until 3 a.m. Yun lang. Thank you guys for watching the video. For those people waiting for law school contents, pasokan na. So, makakapag-upload ako ng more contents about law school. Yun lang. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the videos. Happy 19K subscribers. Bye!